Want more Rolling with Tay podcasts? Well, follow on Instagram and Twitter at Rolling with Tay. Visit the blog rollingwithtay.wordpress.com for more content and be sure to sign up for the monthly newsletter. And lastly, subscribe to the YouTube channel Rolling with Tay. What's up, everyone? It's Tasia, aka Tay, Rolling with Tay, and I have made it to Germany. I am here. I am in Berlin for the BMW Berlin Inline Skate Marathon. Man, I'm excited. The marathon is tomorrow, September 23rd, and I can't believe that I'm here. I'm in London. I'm not London. Lord, it's been a long journey. I actually flew to London, then from London took the Eurostar to Paris, then took the train back to London, then from London flew to Berlin. So, excuse me if it's been a long 4 days, but I'm in Berlin, and I can't believe it. Like, that I'm here. I never saw myself coming to Germany, let alone participating in this marathon, but here I am, right? And as you can see behind me, I'm at the expo, and you see people coming. There are so many people here. I was here yesterday actually to pick up my stuff, and I came back today with Mandy, who is also participating in the inline skate marathon. So she's picking up her stuff, but so many people from all over the world. This is so dope. I can't explain it, but if you've done this marathon, or if you've done any of the 6 big marathons, you understand. You understand this. This is so dope. Anyway, I just wanted to give you the update. I will see you on the other side with my medal. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill today. It's a little, as you can see, cloudy. Might be rainy later, but I'm gonna explore Germany, Berlin, while I'm here. Yeah, that's my update. I will see you on the other side.